This thing is so incredibly cute. I love it. You just literally stick the dongle that's included in here into your computer and it activates this. There is no on off button to worry about. So once it connects from the USB dongle here, you actually can start using it right away. It takes one AAA battery here and then it functions great. I mean, the battery lasts, who knows how long it lasts, probably forever. But it's really nice because it has these long keys, which is really, really nice. So you can really feel it. If you're like me and you're used to using a 10 key, then this actually feels very much like, I don't know, it feels like the olden days, which I love. It's super, super cool. Absolutely love it, and you will love this product too.
Okay.
I got a fix the haircut one. It worked until it didn't.
Thunder rocks, throw it at my head, and I'll have myself a nice rock nap.
Why, hello. I'm Disney Princess Patricia. Would you like to go on a Disney Princess adventure? Only pixies allowed. So, human parents and guardians, we asked you to wait in what you call the pirating ride.
So this is super easy to use. I just connected it to my laptop with Bluetooth, and now I can use a normal keypad with my laptop.